of Zhao and Zhao for the blue of
Yes, time up! Yan!
For final match, Marian De Leon of T-Top, wear blue armor, versus Bernard Gazon of PPC, red armor. Proceed to the colors area right now. Again,
Wala! Iba! Yun!
Marian De Leon of T-Top,
Wala! Time up! Labas!
PPC, red. Proceed to the colors area right now.
Yan! Yeah! Yan! Lamang. Isa pa, yun! Wala na, lamang na. Oh!
Ayo! Halo! Halo! Ayo! Halo!
Talon!
Paging Kevin Yusin and
Yan ang malalim!
proceed to the colors area right now. Kevin Yusin and Emmanuel Ong, proceed to the colors area right now.
Yan! Uy, ano yan? Yes, isa pa, iba! Susan! Oh!
Ate Mia, gara yung
Timing na, timing! Timing! Hop! Yan!
Yan! Sige! Yan!
Ano nangyari? Tapos na?
Tapos na. Nalo.
Laban pa sila mamaya?
Ewan ko, final na yata. May isa pa yata. Ewan ko. Dalawa na lang siya na lang natara sa kanila eh. Ay, may isa pa.
Hindi na.
Oh, yan! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Oh!
Yeah. Nangyari na naman.
Wala na, lamang na lamang. Yes! Tayo! Woo! Oh, ano yan? Oh, dami pa ng coach. Yan, di ba? Yeah, Marvin!
Timing! Timing!
Timing! Bakit? Ba naman niya? Sige, pahinga, Marvin. Sige! Wala na. Halo. Oh.
Attention all active batches of PBB-DBS, please proceed to, please proceed to Port 3, as you will be meeting all the active batches of PBB. All active batches, PBB TBS. Proceed to fourth meeting.